What's up, guys? Yeah, so today I'm going to show you how you can make a modern trap type beat. Modern trap type beat. When you say modern uh, trap beat, there are some artists like Gucci Mane, Quavo, yeah. So I just say Young Thuggy, yeah. So I just say try to make something that is good, and I think, guy, you won't regret, yeah, to watch this tutorial. So without wasting your time, guys, so don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Also like this video, you know, and drop your opinion in the comment section. So let's go and see how I prepared. Yeah, so I just play 15 scenes. I can say 13 scenes. So the good thing is that I just start with my chord progression. For my chord progression today, I just play my chord progression by using violin. Yeah. So I just needed to get some new vibe to my beats. So this is violin from this plugin called Cypress. It is stock sound, but I like the sound, so it sounds like this one. I just randomizing my volume as you see here the bottom velocity. So after playing my good violin, I just jump to play my blast from expand. It's called the natural section. I come to blast here, then natural section, blast number 1 is called natural section. Yeah, so I just play simple and I go like this one. Wow. So I think you can get the vibe. So after that, I just play this is string from Simpsons. String number 1. I'm here to presets. Go to string number 1. This one. Just prepared. Key strings sound like this one. Yeah, so when you say I create my things, I just play something simple. But when you combine it together, it gives you a huge sound. That is what I'm trying. I talk everything. So don't stop complicated. Just start with a few things that paved a way you to add your other things or other melodies. So after that, I just play this piano chorus also from Simpsons. Yeah, sound like this one. It's simple. I like the sound. After that, I just play this guitar also from Simpsons. Simpsons is a guitar. This one. And I just strum my guitar. Just follow my chord progression. Simple. After that, jump to my drum pattern. So before I jump, I just play this one, mallet. G. Yeah, mallet F G. I just play this one harmless. Let it also be used. So that I play this one, Studio Crab from Simpsons. Studio Crab, this one. So just very simple. So just here as you see my volume, just play a little bit with my volume here. Just make it sound good. I think you can feel the vibe. Oh, after that, let's jump to club, cinematic club. After that, my club, I just place my snare. This snare, it is a real snare, but I just play it, and you can see here, I just play my quick out fade. Yeah, I just play in 70%. And without it, the appearance look like it, but when I fades out, it look in 75% sound like this one. So I just like the sound of this. So I from use the hi-hat, I just add the new things. So this is that why I called a modern trap. Yeah. After that, I add snare to give the vibe to crab. After that, also I add a hi-hat to give the vibe to the first one. I fade out. This is cinematic. Yeah, cinematic hi-hat. After that, I play this one. This is Afrobeat sample. I like the sound, that is why I just make it my beat. Yeah. So after making it, I just finish with my kick pattern. You know? Yeah, so after that, let's put in our area. You know? Wait. No, this I think it's better. So the first thing I should trim it, the sound for then a track, hold it, and this and copy. So good way of playing it is come to record with the vibe. So the good thing is that we can do this to hit pattern here, Control C, and in this section Control V. I control that, come here and make it, then control. So you can edit a little bit. No, so this it in start editing your hair. So this you can put here. You can play this in short time. As you see, this is so you can start to yeah. So simply let me move it here down. Yeah, let it put here. That's I just add my kick here. Yeah, this is simple how you can play your aim. This put it in 75%. Yeah, okay. You see, that is simple, guys. So you can make your aim sound like that. So you can cut it, come here and paste it. It's simple like this one. So I hope, guys, you get something. Put it here. That is here. Then I can put it here, 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 here. So it's like one bit, you know. So this is good thing, guy, can learn today. You know how can play your eight simple way. So stop complaining and stop making something sound good, sound more complicated. You know. Yeah. So we learn from those who are better than us. So and learn also me. I'm not better, but somehow I know a few things. Thank you, God. Okay. Uh, After that, my things are over. So let's hear from the intro. Sorry. From the intro. Okay, let's go. I forgot something here. I just automate my tempo. No, I set my intro. I just set in 11:4 tempo here. 114, I can get that. But the lead tempo of this track it is 109. Just play it in this and in its outro, from intro and then outro. Sound good. Yeah. So in outro here, then when yeah, I hope guys you enjoy this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Also like the video and comment. So thank you. My name